Most people use AI randomly. They open a tool, ask one question, and then stop. But if you use AI with a simple workflow, it can save you hours every week. In this video, I will show you how to use AI tools to work faster without making things complicated. Part 1. Start with the problem. Before choosing an AI tool, ask yourself one simple question. What am I trying to save time on? Do you need to write faster, research faster, design faster, understand documents faster, or organize ideas faster? This matters because you do not need every AI tool. You only need the right tool for the right job. Part 2. Use ChatGPT for first drafts. ChatGPT is useful when you are staring at a blank page. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, write first drafts, improve emails, plan videos, and organize your thoughts. The best way to use ChatGPT is not to copy everything blindly. Use it to build the first version, then add your own ideas, examples, and personal style. This saves time because you do not need to start from zero. Part 3. Use Perplexity for research. When you need information, normal search can take a long time. Perplexity helps you research faster by giving answers with useful sources. You can use it for learning, content, research, business ideas, product research, and checking topics before making content. It is not perfect, so always check important information, but it can help you understand a topic faster. Part 4. Use NotebookLM for documents and notes. NotebookLM is useful when you already have notes, PDFs, or study material. Instead of reading everything again and again, you can upload your material and ask questions about it. You can use it to summarize notes, understand documents, find key points, and organize research. This is helpful for students, creators, business owners, and anyone dealing with long information. If you feel overwhelmed by documents, NotebookLM can make the information easier to understand. Part 5. Use Canva for design. Canva helps turn ideas into visuals. You can use it to create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, posters, and simple graphics. You do not need advanced design skills. Start with a template, change the text, adjust the design, and create something usable much faster. For creators and small business owners, Canva can save a lot of time because design no longer has to start from zero. Part 6. Build a simple AI workflow. Here is a simple workflow you can use. First, use Perplexity to research the topic. Second, use ChatGPT to organize the ideas and create a draft. Third, use Canva to turn the idea into a visual. Fourth, use NotebookLM when you need to understand long notes or documents. This is much better than randomly collecting hundreds of AI tools. A simple workflow is easier to repeat. Part 7. Do not let AI replace your thinking. AI is powerful, but your judgment still matters. AI can help you start faster, research faster, and design faster, but you still need to check the information and add your own experience. The goal is not to let AI do everything. The goal is to let AI remove the slowest part of the work. Ending. If you want to work faster with AI, do not start by collecting hundreds of tools. Start with one problem. Use ChatGPT for drafts, Perplexity for research, NotebookLM for documents, Canva for design. Follow AI Income Lab for more ways to work smarter.